How's it going? Jim here again. We're going to talk about the Ford Windsor Miata engine and the vintage Offenhauser manifold. Okay, so this Offenhauser manifold is going to be on the back burner for right now. Come to find out. So I've sandblasted this thing, all clean. The person who I got it from was a scrap hound or whatever off of eBay. Whoever destroyed this, I have to fix this, get it back to the way it should be. These intakes only fit AFB, Carter, Weber style, or Edelbrock style carburetors. So that's I do not own any of those carburetors. I'm not a fan of them. But that's going to be a future scenario when the swap meets open up due to COV. This is in here in Connecticut. Nothing is open. We're all shut down. We can't go anywhere. There's no car shows, no car cruises, nothing. So I purchased a couple of things off of the internet, eBay, for vintage stuff because it's obsolete and those that wanted them are dead or dying and the kids don't care, so I get things really cheap. So for $212 and $30 to ship this thing, whatever, I'm going to keep this on the shelf until further notice. I do have another replacement coming. I found another vintage Offenhauser intake manifold. It's actually a small block Ford tunnel ram. I have that coming now, and I purchased that last night. So this is going to be on the making of something that I have to repair. I've already done 3 repairs on this intake since yesterday as it got delivered. So we're going to stop there, and I will continue to make you realize what that's going to entail. So this is the engine pretty much all done. I'm waiting for some pulleys and just that tunnel ram intake. So we'll get that because I have in the other video told you that I use 4150s or 4160 match set Holley carburetors. So that's what I have, and that's what I'm using. Okay, so we're gonna get on to some other vintage parts. So when I got this engine, it came with factory goodies. I've either used those factory goodies on the 49 behind my shoulder on the 5.0 engine, like the brackets for the alternator and stuff like that, and all brand new shiny now. So I've used those goodies. I used the original pulleys. Why? On that truck, because it's a truck. Okay, the hood is big and heavy, and I'm not going to open it all the time. They do look show quality because I have sandblasted them and painted them, but we're not going to use that for this. But we are using a couple of things, like the water neck. Now the water neck did not look good. It looked like this here distributor. This is the original distributor that came out of the F100 74 pickup truck. This is a point setup. There's nothing wrong with it. It only had 30,000 miles on it. As you can tell, I didn't clean this. It came out of the engine like this, but it's seen some daily environmentally crap when the hood was open. So we're going to take this. This is a real Motorcraft. So the big thing is a lot of people make mistakes by not matching the engine with the components that it actually came from the factory. In order to set an engine up or anything, it should have what it came with. So therefore, that 5.0 in the truck, I did not get a distributor with, so I put an HEI, switched the whole thing over to GM. It's an HEI. The thing lights off. It's absolutely awesome. This engine is a Windsor vintage, so I want to use as many original parts as I can because, well, that's what Ford made them to work well. So everything else on this thing is brand new. Basically, the engine block heads, valve train, and front crank damper is the only thing that's original, and the distributor and the water housing. So we're going to make that. I'm going to show you how to make that distributor look like this. This is an original Ford Motorcraft water out. Okay, water neck, water housing, gooseneck for you old timers if they're still running around. But it's just a thermostat housing. Okay, that's what it looks like now, brand new shiny. This is a 1974. So we're gonna go and show you what this is gonna look like. Okay, I'm gonna show you on the next video after this looks like this. So take notice. This is okay. That's it, okay. I could put this back on, but we could do better. So you have a good day, and we'll see you on the finished product in a few minutes. Okay, have a good day.